Hello friends! Well, I just did a whole video on this kit share from the Scrapbooking store kit club and then realized I never hit the button. So I just spent the last 20 minutes talking to myself. Let's do it all over. First off, this time I will share the upgrade kit, which is an extra added cost. There is the main kit, which is usually just the papers and a sticker sheet. We are using the My Favorite Summer collection. Sorry, I forgot what that word was. From Echo Park. And this is a collection from 2022. So this was last year's summer collection. And I will leave links below to the sign up link where you can sign up using my affiliate link. And it does give me a little bit of a commission, which I would appreciate if you would sign up under my link if you go over there to sign up. And this kit club is really affordable. I really love being on this design team because it was a kit club that I was actually looking at becoming a member of before they asked me to be on the design team. So when they asked me to be on the design team, I was so excited because I absolutely love all of the collections that they pick. Okay, so this is the upgrade kit that is, I think, about $10. I'm not really sure how much it is. I'll try to put up a little thing here saying how much the upgrade kit costs on top of the paper kit. So this month's upgrade kit comes with tons of ephemera and chipboard and so much fun stuff. So I put it all out here on the table for you to see. I hope that you love what you see. It is a super fun, bright, summery kit. This is the chipboard accents. Just super duper fun and cute. And this is the adhesive brads, which I absolutely love because, like it says, it uses adhesive. And then it's just the top part of the brad with adhesive on it instead of having the actual little metal brad piece behind it where you have to poke the hole in your layout, and then there's like this whole thing on the back of the layout that I would put washi tape on and everything, and it was just a thing. So I love the adhesive brads. And then it does come with some chipboard as well. And then there is this ephemera pack that I placed out here, which is just so super fun. I just love rainbow colors. Rainbows are my favorite right now. So that is the embellishment pack, which I will place. Let's see, sorry. I'm going to put that in here for when I scrapbook with it. And I think also what I'll do is I will cut this up too so that it can fit in here. And then I also think I'm going to put these in here. And then you can use the chipboard as like a layering element too. That's what I love about these chipboard sheets, is you can actually use it to layer your photos and other things up onto your pages. You don't have to just throw it away. You can reuse it, which is awesome. I love recycling. It breaks my heart to throw things in the trash, but I mean, you can't always prevent that, right? Okay. I don't think I'm going to do this whole thing on here because obviously it's not going as fast as I thought. They are really connected. I thought they were not that connected, but they are really connected. Holy cow. Okay, we'll just punch out these big pieces. I love that hot air balloon. It's super fun. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the paper kit. So this is the main kit. And I'm totally drawing a blank on the price right now, so I will try to remember to put up a little thing here that says the price of the monthly kit. And also remember there is a link down below to the kit, where you can become a member or you can just buy a once-off kit and I will get a little bit of a commission. Okay, so now we have the Elements sticker sheet, which is a lot of the same things that are from the chipboard set, which is nice because then you can just create more with the same kind of ephemera. Sorry, my puppies are in my room right now and there's not that much space. And Bear wants to say hi. You say hi, Bear Bear. You want to say hi? You say hi. Say hello. Who are you talking to? Yes, I love you too. Olivia. Hello, Olivia. Okay, sorry guys. I just had to talk in my puppy voice, and it looks like Bear is going to say hello again. And you can see over here them as they pass by. My computer or my recording area isn't as big as my last recording area, so hopefully you won't judge me too harshly and you'll just love me. I would appreciate that. Okay, so now I'm just going to quickly run through these papers because the dogs are here and I have a feeling they're going to start barking here any minute, so that I will play with them. So this one is a pretty yellow background with a diagonal, and it's got some fun paper or lines on it. And then this floral, super fun. This one is a nice mix of 2x2s, 4x6, 3x4s, and then I think this is a 3x2 or a 4x2, something, I don't know. So that's kind of fun, and I definitely will cut these up. This looks like a 1x1, a 1x4, or 5. So I'll probably cut that side up and not really use this side because I really love all of these. This is a pretty red polka dot with some cute sunglasses and flowers on the back. This is a pretty navy blue with some X's on it. And then a pretty floral. I absolutely love this floral. It's so pretty. That's going to be a hard one to pick which side I use. Here's another floral. And then this one also has 4x4s on the back, which I do love. I love this Good Vibes one because I'm obsessed with rainbows right now. Hello, sunshine. Love it, love it. Oh my goodness, Bear is back. Hi, Bear. Yes, hello. He's like, you're talking to someone. You need to be paying attention to me. And here he is again. I apologize about the noise. This is my absolute favorite piece of paper from this collection. I absolutely love these cute little rainbows. And then this nice background, definitely going to use that side. Then we've got this nice diagonal plaid blue and some cute stamps. These would be fun to fussy cut and use as ephemera. Here is a fun polka dot orange, and this is a 4x6. Absolutely love this pocket or 4x6 card. A stripe, and it's a pink, and then some frozen treats. Those are called popsicles. Could not remember what they were called. And then a red plaid with some pinwheels, sorry. And then another plaid or gingham and some 3x4 cards. Love those. Hello again, Bear. Yes, hello. And then this nice kind of graph paper, it looks like, green pattern, and a floral. I absolutely love this floral. Okay, so that is it for this kit share. I'm going to jump off real quick before the dogs start barking. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you are so excited to see me back. I have a lot in the works for you, and I can't wait to start sharing. Bye!